Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds Cellularline FLICK. And the first one is a classic one. Needs to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then, at the bottom of the charging case, we have USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. The most important is this LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. The second option is to use your phone to charge your earbuds. And all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one to the charging case. Again, we need to check this LED light, we have it, so it's also charging your earbuds. The third option is to use USB-C to USB-A cable. And you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC or another device with USB-A port. So it looks like this. I'm going to connect USB-C cable to my earbuds. And USB-A cable I will connect to my PC, but you can connect, as I said previous, to another device with USB-A port. And now we have the LED light, so it also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.